Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'll be talking about how you can make money off bad news. In my example, I'm going to show you exactly what I did with Boohoo.com. Boohoo.com are an online retail company that have a couple other brands, Nasty Girl and Pretty Little Things. Before we start, if you want free shares, yes, completely free, all you have to do is create a Trading 212 account and you can get a free share worth up to £100. Go into the description and click on the link below, make an account, and the free share is all yours. If you want to see my daily trades, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, please check out my Instagram account. It's at MoshMoneyOfficial, and I'll put in the link in the description below. So what was the issue with Boohoo.com? Now, a charity called Labour Behind the Label, they done an investigation. They found that Boohoo in the warehouses were underpaying the workers. They were only paying them £3.50. Now think about that for a second. The minimum wage, so the minimum a company is allowed to pay in the UK for anyone under 18 is £4.55. If you're apprentice, £4.15. If you're between 18 to 20, the minimum a company can pay you per hour is £6.45. Another issue they had due to the coronavirus, apparently they weren't adhering to social distancing. The investigation is still ongoing, so they might even find more things out about Boohoo.com. The reason why it interests me because ASOS and Next, one of the two biggest clients for Boohoo.com, they said they'll stop stocking the products due to this. Now obviously that's going to cause the share price to fall. So on Monday on the 6th of July, as soon as the market opened, just after 8 o'clock, I short sold 250 shares. If you're not sure what short selling is, have a look at this. Short selling is basically you borrow shares from the broker, you sell it immediately at that price, then you buy back the shares at a lower price. So that difference that you make when you buy back is your profit. I'm very transparent, so I'll show you exactly how much I bought, what price, and what price I sold at. A lot of other people, they don't actually show you their account details because they're probably not really doing these trades. I shorted 250 shares at around 3.5, that's £3.50. Now my aim was to make at least £1 per share, which I did. So I took profit when the price dropped to £2.50, so that's £1 per share. I could have bought more, but I want to manage my risk, and that's important because you don't want to blow your account. If you blow your account, it will put you off trading. You'll be probably depressed for a while and you're not going to feel so good. Only invest what you can afford to lose. I've said that from the start. Potentially, the price would go up again. So I'm just watching it and seeing what happens. If you look at the income statement, and if you're not sure how to read income statements, watch my beginner's guide on income statements. I'll link in the video in the description below. So check it out and you'll find it very useful. The most recent quarter, they actually made a net profit of 29 million. So they've done really well. Potentially, if they can claw back some clients, the share price should go back up again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe as this encourages me to make more videos. And remember, if you want a free share, click in the description below.